Water vehicles.
Let's start learning. Here we go.
Ship.
This is a ship. It carries people and things across the sea.
Boat.
Look, a small boat. It's fun to ride on the water.
Sailboat.
This is a sailboat. It moves with the wind.
Yacht.
Wow, a yacht. It's big and fancy.
Submarine.
A submarine. It goes deep under the sea.
Ferry.
This is a ferry. It takes cars and people across the water.
Cargo ship.
Look at the cargo ship. It carries big boxes around the world.
Fishing boat.
This is a fishing boat. It catches fish from the sea.
Speedboat.
Here comes a speedboat. It's really fast.
Jet ski.
This is a jet ski. Zoom zoom on the water.
Cruise ship.
Look at the cruise ship. People go on vacation with it.
Rescue boat.
This is a rescue boat. It helps people in trouble.
Hovercraft.
Here's the hovercraft. It floats on air and water.
Tugboat.
This is a tugboat. It helps big ships move. Today we learned about water vehicles. Great job!